First things first, let's unbox it. So this just came out in January as part of the new batch of Legos. I'm new to this Lego world and seem to have developed a fascination with it within the last few months. And notice how big a world this is and how big a fan base it really has. And there's just so many interesting builds to carry out. So I want to get started. I've started with a few, but this is the first one I wanted to video. I've been looking forward to this one for a while. So many Easter eggs. It looks like a plain rectangular box, but I've heard so many Easter eggs about it and all the minifigures. Not collected many minifigures yet, so I'm interested to see what happens and when they appear. So come with me. Let's open. What I've noticed is that all these boxes come with these wee grooves just on the side. And you hear that crunch. When you get opened. Nothing else. I'm going to keep the box. Added some collection at the side here. There will be many more. Now I've noticed that in a lot of Legos they're starting to move to paper packaging, which is amazing. It's great. I've done a few sets like that already. So I think these things are going to be a thing of the past. In a good way. So let's have a look at all the bags, how many bags we've actually got. Number 1. Plus the instruction booklet. Pretty much a novel. I love the look and feel of these. Great collector's item as well. So let's get it started. New setup. I know a lot of people use white tables so you can see all the different colours pieces. Some people like to put it in bowls. I just like to open the bag, separate, not completely, because part of the fun is finding the piece for me anyway. Yeah, as I'm new to Lego, I just wanted to touch on this. Every time you open one of these booklets, you get a wee barcode and you're part of the Lego Insider world. Give the barcode a scan and you get points. I already got points after only buying a couple of sets and got about £9 off this set of Marvel. I got this one from the Lego store in Glasgow, Scotland, for those of you who do not know where I come from. I'm Scottish. And it was £89.99 and I got £9 off it. And I also got the Valentine's heart with the chocolates as a gift for purchase. It's amazing this world, all the wee things you find out. Spend over X amount of money and you get free gifts, extra Lego to build. It becomes a fascination and you want to keep building. You guys know what I'm talking about. So when you do open it up, scan that barcode into the app because you will get money off. Doesn't take long. Especially when you buy Lego with that amount of money. So, let's find bag number 1. We'll move this stuff inside. Second thing for now. So here's bag number 1. There's a lot of crinkling going on in this room. I hope you can hear me okay. Can you hear it? Here's bag number 1. And I can already see many bigger than this set. There's always a big bag and there's always a wee bag. It's an easy way for you to separate. One. And we've got a wee mini set as well. Just always any of the pieces. And there is actually looks like Captain America's wee tiny helmet. What a start that is. Let's get rid of the plastic. There is a bin down here, I promise. And there's a wee head. The thing with Lego figures I've noticed as well is they have two expressions on the face. Every single character. I can have Captain America with a beard. And I can have Captain America with a smirk on his face. So we're going to be building Captain America, certainly from bag number 1. I don't know what the name of this is, but it's a little tool that they give you with every Lego set you buy. And it's really to help you if you make a mistake in putting a piece down, to save your fingers, because there's some tiny pieces in here to help lift it off. It's a great wee tool. And you can collect these as well. I've seen some people making some Lego trees out of them. Very clever idea. So, bag number 1, let's have a look. It's got me building the Captain America first of all. So let's build him. Lego always give you some spare parts. Make sure you keep them aside. Have a wee box or something to put them in. But in this case, we've only got 2 extra pieces out of bag 1. So that's not bag 1. So how does it look after bag 1? Nothing giving away too much yet. We've got this frame, and we've also got Captain America watching it. Let's move on to bag number 2. This is bag number 2. Let's see what we've got in here. Another mini bag with a very small pieces. Make sure you take every thorn off. Make sure everything's right. No minifigures in bag number 2, so they're keeping us waiting. Also have our mini bag to open for bag number 2. Be extra careful you don't lose those pieces. That's the end of bag number 2. Look at this build here. Almost got some sort of bridge going on. Not much detail as to what's going to happen from bag number 3. But we're really starting to see the inside of this now. And what I love is, we only have one spare piece. Now that is giving me the fear. Have I missed that from somewhere? We'll soon find out. I'll put it to the side just now. Let's see what bag number 3 has in store. Bag number 3, it's a fair bit smaller than bags numbers 1 and 2. But I can see a minifigure in this one. So, let's see who we got. It's Black Widow. Don't know enough about Black Widow, but if you know much, give me some facts about her. Let's build her. There we go. Now that's the outside. So just to show you what the inside looks like. Look at that detail. This is why we went for this. That's the end of bag 3. And here's what we got. Black Widow and Captain America. And only one spare piece. Gives me the fear. However, going to take a break. We'll be back. I'll probably have a different t-shirt on. We'll see you for bag 4.